Hi boys and girls, how's everybody doing? Miss you all. I hope you're all having a great week and you're getting out and enjoying some of the sunshine that we've been seeing, but also that you're trying to keep up with all of our learning that's still happening. We are remote learning, we're a week into it, and you all are doing an awesome job, so great job to you. Just wanted to come on here and introduce to you our vocabulary words for the week. As you know, you'll see the vocabulary words within our Story Brave Bessie, so just wanted to give a little bit more color to the words here, as you'll see them on the vocabulary sheets that I attach to lesson plans, and you'll practice them as well. But just wanted to come in here and give you a little live lesson. So vocabulary words, your first word is agree. Say it. Agree. So when you agree on something, you think the same way. So you might agree with a sibling on how you're going to share something. You might agree with a friend on what your favorite kind of ice cream is. You might agree to play a certain game. So those are different things you might agree on. Number two, challenging. Say it. Challenging. So when something is challenging, it is sometimes a little bit more difficult to you. It's harder for you. It might be challenging for you to do 3-digit addition or subtraction. You might want to challenge yourself to do something really hard at the playground, climb to the highest peak or climb across the monkey bars, because that is challenging to you. Number three, discover. So when you discover something, you find it for the first time. So you might get lucky someday, you might discover gold, or you might be like Ben Franklin, who discovered that lightning could be used for electricity. So those are some things that you might discover or have been discovered, and that is that word, finding something for the first time. Number four, heroes. Heroes are people that we look up to. You might be thinking, oh, I know superheroes like Batman and Superman. Those are considered heroes because they save people. They're good people. In real life, we might think of heroes as people that you look up to, like doctors and nurses who are doing awesome things in our country right now, in our world right now, saving people's lives. And therefore, they are considered heroes. Number five, interest. Interest is a liking for. So when you have interest in something, you sort of take to it. You might have an interest in science, or you might have an interest in learning about something in social studies. A certain history topic might interest you. We can use in a different context. I am interested in learning about something. Number six, perform. Say it. Perform. When you perform something, you do something in public or for the public eye. So you might love to perform for neighbors. Maybe you go on the street and you're singing or you're dancing, and that's something that's fun to you. You love to perform. We think of performers as people who might be in a musical that we've seen at school. Some of the high school kids that come to our school and we get to see them perform. They are considered performers. Number seven, study. When you study something, you try to learn it. So right now we are studying our vocabulary words for the week. You might be studying for your spelling test. Those are different things that you study for when you work hard to try and learn something. And finally, number eight, succeed. When you succeed, you do well at something. So right now we are learning about remote learning, and by the end of this, we will all have succeeded in doing a new form of learning. When you succeed when you get a 15 out of 15 on a spelling test. You have done very well at that spelling test or math test. You got every problem right. You say, I succeeded in that. So those are our vocabulary words for the week, boys and girls. And if you have any questions, as always, just send me an email. Have your mom or dad send me an email, and I will get back to them. Have an awesome day.